Morning, grade 4 students. Welcome to your another new class of subject science. Hope so you people are fine and doing your studies regularly. Okay, now without wasting our time, let's move toward your topic. We are on your unit number 1, that is keeping healthy, and topic of today is foods for energy. In previous class we learned that food is the basic need for living body and it provide us energy, it repair damages and help in growth. These are the food that required for every living body. Okay, so in this topic we discuss that what type of food we need that provide us energy. So we eat different foods that give different amount of energy. If we take the example of our daily life, in daily life we eat different things starting from our morning breakfast. In morning breakfast we take bread with egg, or someone take toast, someone take prathas, and then going toward your lunch time you take a roti with your salan. Okay, and so on. In our daily or in our day you take different types of food that give us energy. So whatever food you take, every food give us different amount of energy. Okay, and what are the main energy food sources that we eat in a day or in daily life? Okay, so main energy food sources are carbohydrate, fats and stored fat. These three are the main energy food sources. These are the food that provide us with energy that is needed for our body to do activities, to do our daily work. So now starting with the carbohydrate. What are carbohydrate? Actually carbohydrate are the sugar, starch and fibers found in fruit, grains or vegetable. Sugar, starch. What is starch? Starch are the polymers or chains of carbohydrates that combine to form starch. Fibers that are found in vegetable or some fruits, जो pulp वगैरह होता है, that is the fiber. It is found in fruit. And what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the macronutrient or the basic nutrient that provide us with energy. From where we get carbohydrate, or what is the source of carbohydrate, or what things we eat that give us carbohydrate? So we mainly get carbohydrate from plants, mainly from green plants that contain sugar and starch. So what is the source of carbohydrate? We get it from plants. And how plant make this carbohydrate? Plant make carbohydrate using energy from the sun. When the plant traps sunlight from the sun, it make carbohydrate, glucose or starch molecule inside the body. And when we eat that plant or that vegetable, we are consuming that carbohydrate. Okay, so bread, cakes, jam and potatoes, these all are the food sources that contain carbohydrate. And what is carbohydrate? Are the main energy source that is needed for our body, that provide us energy. I have made here key points so that you can easily understand that what is carbohydrate. So it's easy for you to understand the concept of carbohydrate. Next we will move toward fats. What are fats? Fats is another macronutrient needed for our body. It provides more energy than carbohydrates. It's provide more energy than carbohydrate. For example, if we take the same amount of carbohydrate and the same amount of fat in our diet, so what will give us more energy? Either carbohydrate or fat? The answer is fat. Fat give us twice energy than carbohydrate. And from where we get fat? We get fat from animals and some plants. Example is butter, cooking oil, and in the bodies of fishes, milk and peanut. All these contain fats. Next we have stored fat. What are stored fat? Stored mean keep or accumulate for future use. If we keep something, or if we collected something, or we stored something for the future consumption, that is called stored. And it is if fat, then we called it stored fat. So all those fat that we stored in our body for the future consumption are called stored fat. How we store fat in our bodies? When we eat excess food than our need, it's stored in our body as stored fat. When we feel hungry and we eat and we eat and start eating, and there is a limit reached when we felt no hungerness, and but we started continued that eating.